Good morning. So we posted a video a long time ago, well not that long ago, but a while ago, about planting our Greenstalk, and we really haven't updated. Now, my containers tend to, hi Nala, tend to be kind of an experiment. I don't put as much effort into them as I do my in-ground garden, because my in-ground garden is 650 to 700 square foot of planting space, so that's kind of my focus. This is something I kind of play in. I would like to try to get good at growing greens in like late into the winter if I could find a good sheltered spot near the house, but that's an experiment for another time. Now they make like a Lazy Susan and like a Lazy Susan on wheels that you can put under these so you can pivot them. I need one of these. But in the meantime, it's kind of a great thing to observe, at least in this area. This is in western Pennsylvania. If you are growing on like one side of the house, so you don't have a ton of space and you have to choose a side of the house to grow on. Let's look at the different ways. This side right here faces east. It's where our sun rises. And if you go around our Greenstalk, you can see what direction grows the best. So this is the east side. So here's the Swiss chard, here's the carrots, the cilantro, the lemon basil. Lemon basil. Now, something I've observed, the top does not work well for basil for us. For some reason, I don't know why, but it just gets like really beaten up. So I need to try something else. Now, the cucumbers are doing okay. So anyway, this was the east side. I'm going to go around. This is the north side. Now, this isn't completely fair because there is a grill or a shelter right here. But this side, here's the very sad basil. The lemon basil is tiny, cilantro, so on and so forth. These are really, really small. So that's the north side of the house, of the Greenstalk, facing north. This side here is facing south. So here's the Swiss chard, the carrots, the cilantro, and the lemon basil. So out of the three sides we've looked at so far, significantly better. Help from a German Shepherd. Hi, Nala. And then if we go over here, this is the side that's facing the west, that's facing where the sun sets. Now look at the size of the lemon basil here, the cilantro, the carrots, and the Swiss chard. So at least right here, I mean, certainly there are other factors like other shade sources and that kind of thing, but observation from this, the south side and the west side are growing the best. The east and the north are the worst. North is by far the worst. I think it's the most shaded. It doesn't get as much sunlight for multiple reasons, but in general in our area, I think if you're going to choose a side to grow on, the north side is not as good to grow on. But just observation from our Greenstalk, looks like the west side is the best. The west and the north, or the south side, is growing the best. West facing, south facing. Thanks.